Well, welcome back to Autumn in Asia, Cambodian style. Today we're going to be going out in the country again. I love riding out in the country. But this time I wanted to just go ahead and kind of get a view from like a straight on view instead of being on the road, because when it's on the road you just kind of miss a lot of things. But this way you get to see the neighborhood and the houses, and they look pretty good. So anyways, we will let the ladies introduce me.
Musim gugur di Asia.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you very much. But anyways, yeah, we're out here about 25 kilometers east of Siem Reap, and some beautiful houses. Some of them have some huge awnings on them that engulf the entire front of the house. The front yard is really great. But one thing I've noticed, now here we got a choppy thingy, but here's a mom and pop shop. Some of them are a little bit bigger, some of them are a lot smaller, but I just thought I'd show you that. But out here you'll have brand new fancy looking houses right next to not so brand new, not so fancy looking houses, but I think they're all beautiful. And here's a whole bunch of the farmland, and then this will go on for a little while, and then there'll be a whole bunch more houses, and back and forth like that. But this very beautiful. Expecting to see a giraffe or something, you know. I'm just joking. You know, you would think that water is not all that deep, and however, it is. I mean, check out these guys. They are just having fun wallowing water buffaloes, and somehow I lost about a minute and a half, 2 minutes worth of video of them just frolicking in there. Good rookie mistake. Oh well, my bad. But yeah, we're just going through. One thing I've noticed, both cruising through the city and through the neighborhoods, is there's a lot of construction going on. Even though like a lot of people are really hurting. Oh yeah, please leave a comment. Thanks for reminding me there, Mr. Title Editor. But like I say, you know, even with like all the financial problems that a lot of people are having, there still seems to be a lot of like apartment buildings and stuff going on, being built in the cities, and just regular residential houses out in the countryside here. So let's hope that's a sign that things are kind of getting a little bit better, because yeah, it's kind of tough here sometimes. But yeah, you see it a little bit more of the construction later on. I'll probably show you a little bit more of that later on. This is going to be a short video here. Hey, here was another mom and pop I passed by, and I'm going, you know what, I gotta stop there and get something to drink because I'm thirsty. So I decided to turn around, and don't ask me why my camera wanted to act really stupid, but it did. I'm taking a video of everybody. You scared? But you're so beautiful. You too, everybody. Yeah, afraid of Farang. Khmer women beautiful. Khmer boys beautiful. Anyways, I want to go out there again and bring all them kids a snack, like, I don't know, something really cool, like some fresh blueberries straight from Peru. They're costing me an arm and a leg for my breakfast, but I think maybe they've never had them before, and that would be a real treat, and that would be really cool to go out and get some more footage of the families. And the kids were running from across the street when they saw me, and yeah, it was something else. Anyways, now, as always, if you're still here, you are my #1 fans, and I really appreciate that. And I hope you like these videos. If you do, leave me a comment below, like and subscribe as always. Y'all have a great day, and thank you very, very much.